In this tutorial I will show you how to add social media icons to WordPress with the Elementor plugin. And adding social media icons to your WordPress website using Elementor is a great way to enhance the visibility of your social media presence and encourage visitors to connect with you on various platforms. You can easily add social media icons in just a few clicks. And before you begin, make sure you have the Elementor plugin installed and activated on your WordPress website. You can find Elementor in the plugin section, so let me show you. This is the WordPress dashboard for my website, and if I go over to the plugins over here and click on it, you can see all the plugins that are activated or installed for this website. For example, these two are not activated, but they have been installed, and those with the blue background are installed and activated. So you can see over here, this is the Elementor plugin, the free plugin, and below that you can see the Elementor Pro version. So that's a paid upgrade, but to add social media icons to your WordPress website, you can just use the free version of Elementor. And if you haven't installed it yet, you can do so by go to Add New Plugin, click on it. When this page is loaded, you can see this search box over here, and you can just enter Elementor. And now you see this plugin. I already have activated it, but if that's not the case, then you can click on install now, and after that click on activate. So after you have done that, you can go to a page, and for this example I go to the home page of my website. So I'll open up the Elementor editor. You can see the social media icons over here, and now I will show you how you can add those. So I will remove this. Now it's empty again. Let me move this a little bit to the side. So now it's empty again, and now if I go over to the icon with the 9 dots and I click on it, then you will see this screen. Over here you have a search bar. You can search for widgets, and below that you can see all the widgets that are available. You have the basic widgets. You can see over here you have the pro widgets, and those are only available if you have the pro upgrade. And below that you can also see the general widgets, and if you scroll down a little bit and you go over to this one, the social icons, you can just click on it and drag it onto the canvas on a location where you want it to place it. So for example, I'll set it over here, and by default you will see that the icons of Facebook, Twitter and YouTube are shown. And if you want to remove an icon, you can select the widget by clicking on it, and if you go to the left menu, you will see the content tab. Over here you can see the social icons, and if you want to remove an icon, you can just click on the cross. So for example, Twitter, I want to delete it, then I'll click on X. Now it's gone. Also a lot of other icons that you can add. So you can click on add item. By default, the WordPress logo will be shown, but if you want to change that, you can click on icon library. So click on it. Now you can see an overview of all the icons that you can choose from. So you can see there are a lot of options to pick. So choose whatever you want, and you can add it like that. You can also upload your own SVG file if you want to, so that's also an option. If you go to the style tab, you will see a lot of more useful options. Here you can set things such as the size and the color of the icon. You can also manage the padding and spacing settings over here. And another cool option can be set at the icon hover settings. You can find that over here. If you click on it, you can see that the hover animation by default is set to none. So nothing will happen if I hover over the icons. But if I'll set it to pulse shrink, for example, and now hover over it, you can see that the icons start to shrink. So that will make it more noticeable. And it's very easy to add the links to your social media channels. So make sure you have copied the link. Then go to the content tab and select the icon that you want to add the link to. So for example, to Facebook. Click on Facebook, and then you will see this field with link appear. And if you enter the URL over here and then click on update, then the link will be set for the icon. So that's the only thing you have to do to set the URL for the icons. And now you have your own social icons added to your WordPress website with Elementor. Good luck with it. Don't forget to click on update to save all the settings. Thank you for watching. I hope this tutorial was helpful. You can also support the channel by subscribing and liking the video. And if you want to stay informed and updated on the latest videos, also make sure to hit the notification bell. Thanks, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.